Prime Minister Modi has doubled down on the Congress manifesto attack. Prime Minister Modi has said that the Congress is now eyeing the gold of women. Prime Minister Modi has said Congress will target your homes and gold. They will snatch your life savings. Prime Minister Modi today said Congress and its allies have an eye on your income and assets. The Congress's Shehzada says that if his government is formed, they will find out what all you have. It will be probed and all these assets will be taken under government control and distributed. This was the Prime Minister's statement at a rally in Aligarh today.
कि सपा और कांग्रेस के परिवारवाद, भ्रष्टाचार और तुष्टीकरण की फैक्ट्री में ताला लगा दीजिए। याद है ना? और आपने ऐसा मजबूत ताला लगाया, ऐसा मजबूत ताला लगाया कि दोनों शहजादों को आज तक इसकी चाबी नहीं मिल रही। हमारे देश में माताओं बहनों के पास जो सोना होता है, कितना ही कम क्यों न हो, वो स्त्री धन होता है, पवित्र माना जाता है, कानून भी उसकी रक्षा करता है। अब इनकी नजर कानून बदलकर हमारी माताओं बहनों की संपत्ति छीनने का भी खेल खेला जा रहा है।
It remains to be seen at what level will the Congress now be taking it up. So far there has been no complaint with the Election Commission. Of course, there has been some sharp reactions that has come in from the Congress party where they are saying that what they had proposed was redistribution rather than the manner in which it is being projected by the Prime Minister with regards to the minorities of India. So look, as we have been saying, this is a political season. The BJP understands fully well that they have to go all out to enthuse their cadre. They are also worried about the low voter percentage in the first phase. That has been a concern across party lines, that why have they really not ensured that the voters were enthused enough to vote for the next government. On the BJP side, it is also a concern that is there a degree of complacency among the cadres? Is there election perhaps being taken for granted, that the BJP is firmly in the pole position? That's the reason why I think this statement is being made. But nevertheless, it remains to be seen whether the opposition will be talking about it and taking it further, or will they be setting an agenda which has been done by Tejasvi, who just a few minutes back said that the Prime Minister should be speaking about issues which impact people rather than the narrative which is being set by him.